Hello guys, ayan. Ito na, base na ako, papunta na ako kala Randy. Actually, kakagising nga lang ni Randy kasi nag-usap kami sa Facebook Messenger. Ito na guys, ito na yung Miss Universe 2016 vlog ko. This is a special vlog. So, ang mapapanood nyo lang is all about Miss Universe, yung pagpunta namin doon, and our experience sa MOA. Ano ba yan? Tricycle. Actually, yung foundation ko, yung look ko is tan. I don't know why. Ang puti ko pa rin sa screen. Itong ako. Hanap ako ng medyo hindi talaga eh. Hindi mag-register yung pagkatan ko. Siguro mamaya pag putok ng araw na. Hey guys! Ayan na yung mga friends ko. Sabi 2 o'clock, pero ayan, nagme-makeup pa rin. Randy! 1:30 ha! Ano oras sa alas-las na guys? Oo.
Ay! Hindi nagpapatalo, moisturizer. Mahal! Ano na?
Hello.
Utang na kayo dala. Ay!
I'm using my phone. Nandito kami sa mini stop sa may North Ave. Ayan na ang mga bakla. Ayan sila, bumibili ng drinks. Alam niyo naman guys, wala kasi akong extra battery dun sa Canon D7X. That's why I'm using my phone again. Hi, Jopa! Here na guys, marami ng media personnel dito sa part na to. GMA. Dito kami sa may part ng Crown. Say hi guys.
Kasi matraffic, di ba? Ayun, baka talaga inagahan namin.
Ano na lang, baka mapanood ko rin vaccine.
Yes.
So, anong advice?
Ang payo ko sa kanya, talagang galingan niya.
Matagal na nakabook na yung ticket sa supercar.
So, ano pala?
Yes. Nung narinig pa lang na dito gagawin, talagang pinaghandaan na yan.
So, ano, wala pa ba?
Ayan, pwede nang pumasok. Pero nandito pa kami sa labas. Yung mga friends ko. Guys, may nanalo na! Pak! Randy!
Okay, stop!
Oh, di ba may corona talaga si Randy, guys? Oh. Ayan yung mga Thailand. Ang daming supporters ng Thailand, guys. We're gonna cross the street na. And then papasok na kami.
Enough, it's our turn.
Grabe guys, sobrang supportive ng Thailand.
Ano nangyari? Sa mga walang tulog.
We're inside na. Grabe guys, ang dami ng tao at meron akong crown na suot. Libre lang siya from PLDT at yung mga friends ko. Sobrang daming tao. Picture tayo. Hi guys, I have here from Haiti.
Hello, hi guys, my name is Gabby.
So what can you say about the Philippines?
I love the Philippines, guys. I've been here for a few days and the people are so amazing. They are humble. I love it here.
And here's your bet for Miss Universe.
My bet, I'm thinking in between Malaysia or Philippines.
Just go guys, I have a problem. I lost my ticket. Punta ako sila Randy.
Welcome to the show, folks. Thanks for hanging out with us. We are going to have some fun tonight. So sit back, relax, folks. It's almost time to start.
makapasok ako. Kaya, kasi nung dito naman sa Jenat, hindi naman sila naghahanap ng ticket. Kaya akala ko talaga na makakapasok. Tanga-tanga ko kasi kanina eh. Ito, in 20 minutes start na ng show. Guys, malapit na mag-start.
Went home from the last year. It cannot happen again. So if it happens this year, and I get to the end, and the same thing happens, wrong name, I gotta get out of here. I can't take it. So this is an escape plan. Okay, isn't it? Something happens at the end, I get this name wrong. I step to the right, I drop down in the trap.
One voice, one voice, one voice,
One voice
can change the entire world.
can change the entire world. Can change the entire world.
Can change the entire world.
Dream of possibilities.
Reach beyond our grasp.
Embrace innovation.
Educate all children. Respect our planet.
And this actually opened a lot of doors for me. Actually, I just signed with IMG, so I'm very excited. And I do hope that everyone keeps supporting me even after I pass up the crowd. See, I never got to thank you, but thank you for making me the most popular Miss Universe.
Kenya!
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Steve.
You know, I
May interview pa. Commercial break, guys. Kinakabahan ka na ba? Pangilan kaya tatawagin sa Philippines?
Mukhang siya pa ang napili.
Mukhang huli, no? Eto guys, CR muna kami. Diyos ko, nakaka-stress.
She just told me.
Ayun yung CR na. Ay, grabe yung pila ng CR, oh my God. CR. Grabe, ito oh.
Bili tayo ng water muna.
Listen, your aunt was actually Miss Universe Philippines in 1990, I understand. Did she give you any advice about competing?
Of course, she just told me to be myself.
Ganda!
Thank you. Thank you, Philippines.
Mami guys, basta kang Philippines!
Alam nyo na!
Ako guys, kasi dead pa talaga kami. Once na natawag na si Philippines talaga, oh. Ito lumabas pa kami, imbis na diba, dapat nanonood kami sa loob. We're so happy, pasok sa top 13. Ako, ayan, nagsisigawan na rito. Hindi pa tinatawag yung Philippines. Grabe, nakakaba na. Ano ba yan? Mama, wala pa!
I know it's a little mean, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. This is Miss Universe Live.
Ayan na. Siguro kailangan tawagin na si Philippines, guys.
Let's go, Steve. The last remaining contestant to make
Ayan na, guys. Sinawas mo.
Philippines.
Feels like a fashion show.
Kenya.
A positive role model they can identify with. I believe a woman can be that role model.
Colombia. Also heading to the next round is Philippines. To enter the top.
So, grabe yung crowd, guys. So, sobrang saya dahil si Philippines sa tawag. Go Maxine! Go Maxine! Go Maxine! Go Maxine! Go Maxine! Go Maxine! Go Maxine!
Is the most significant change you've seen in the world in the last 10 years?
Ano ang pinakamakabuluhang kaganap na pangyayaring nakita mo sa mundo sa loob ng 10 taon?
In the last 10 years of being here in the world is that I saw all the people bringing in one event like this, Miss Universe. And it's something big to us that we are one. As one nation, we are all together.
Kenya.
Japay. Okay ka lang. Feeling ko na i-stress ka eh. Ano? Speechless.
Colombia.
Mukhang mananalo si Colombia dito ah. Gagantihan tayo.
The next woman still in the competition for the crown is France. Only one spot left. The last contestant in the final three is Haiti.
And their action, guys.
Don't forget
That's alright. That's alright.
Okay lang.
At least stop it.
Grabe.
This is Miss Universe.
Ito na guys, dahil dahil di natawag ang Philippines, ito uwian na, joke.
Serving tatlo. Sir, ano kung maganda yung sagot niya, pasok siya.
Hindi kasi concrete.
Oo, yung sagot.
Yung sagot niya hindi concrete. Oo.
Kaso panalo.
Sila. Ito, nasa labas talaga kami. Hindi na namin pinanood pa yung Q&A. Then pa na tayo kasi wala yung Philippines. Ganon.
Araw si
Ito, nasa elevator kami.
Na kailangan kumuha siya ng tsuktsakhera. Katulad ni Pia.
Si Pia talagang bula talaga eh.
Baka nung narinig ko si Max, sinabi ko na sa'yo.
Sayang.
Sa trio, nag-agree pwede siya.
Trio nag-agree yung kalaban. Katapat.
Okay lang yun. Basta ang importante sa akin, kahit wala na si Maxine, kapit pa rin ang makeup ko. Ito guys, bumalik na kami. Ito na yata yung mismong announcement. Randy. Loti.
Parang gusto ko maglagay ng dalawang bilog dito.
Being Miss Universe has offered me tremendous opportunities to draw attention to the issues close to my heart, such as bullying and HIV and AIDS awareness. On top of my thank you list is my mother. I am the woman I am because of the woman you are. To my sister Sarah, you are my rock. Paula, Esther, Sean, and the rest of the MEO team, you are family to me. To my Miss Universe sisters, I'll see you again soon. To the worldwide Pianatics, at the end of your reign, you will have grown in confidence, maturity, and faith. For me, the title was a dream come true, but the work continues. Kababayan, maraming salamat po.
Runner-up.
Talaga kanina pa gusto na ako.
The winner is unable to fulfill her duties. The first runner-up will take her place. Good luck to both of you.
Great properly!
Thank you. Here we go. Miss Universe is...
Si Kuya Panalo, France. Okay, congratulations, Miss France, the new Miss Universe.
Hi!
Deserve ba?
Yes, you deserve the crown.
Ito, uwian na. Guys, nandito kami sa seaside. Ito si Randy. Ayan, daan sa kain.
Lot, lakang na lang.
Kainan na lang, idaan sa kain ng kaestresan. Ang tagal ko hindi nakabalik dito. So, 3 years.
450? Walang bago sa 450 yun?
Sige, 400 ka na. Makakuha mo dagdag.
Bakit hindi 350?
Isang ganda to.
Puro seafoods, guys.
Sino ano siya ng 350?
Hindi kaya? Kaya?
Isang kalate.
O, dagdagan mo pa, dalawa. Tatlo, apat, lima. Dalawa pa.
Bigyan mo nga ang gaganda na yan. Ano ba yan? Ako na ate. Halika na, ako nang babakla dito. Babakla ano to.
Ayan na, busog na ang mga bakla, dinaan na lang sa kain.
Pagkatalo.
Go, isa ano?
Guys, I'm already here sa bahay. Grabe. The Miss Universe 2016, sobrang gandang experience for me. Kasi, you know naman, yung syempre diba 1972 ay 1974, 73 yung first na ginanap sa Philippines yung Miss Universe. Of course, hindi pa ako buhay noon. Buhay na ako nung 1994. I was just grade 3. Grade 3 ako noon. And right now, 2017, I'm so happy na live ko siyang napanood. I'm so happy. And I know some are disappointed with what happened to Maxine, but let's just be positive kasi guys, come on, top 6 pa rin. Umabot siya ng top 6, even me up to now. But we just need to move forward. And of course, sa Binibining Pilipinas charity BPCI something, siguro we just need to focus, especially yung Q&A. Pero when it comes to rampa, presenting yourself, confidence, magaling na talaga tayong mga Pilipino when it comes to that. Okay, thank you so much for this special vlog to Miss Universe 2016, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like this video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much again.